Hi all, welcome to Die.3D Tech YouTube channel. In this today's video, we'll see how to make this seaplane. So I already done all part cuttings as per the plans. Okay, plan links I will give you in the description. And you can see these are the parts I already done cutting. 12 mm Depron I used for this. Okay, so this is a very simple plane. So I'll show you how it will be done. So yeah, so these are the vertical stabilizers, and these are control surfaces. Okay, and this is the canopy part, means front part, and the main plane divided into three parts. I'll show you that three parts now. Okay, so the main plane is divided into three parts, so you can see here. So this is the part will be attached like this, and this is the part like this. Okay, so this is how it will be. So I will glue these three parts, then I'll be back. Okay, after that I'll show you the steps what we supposed to follow. Okay, so I will glue these three parts, then I'll be back. Okay. So now gluing is done, three parts attached. So here what I did is to add the spar, I've done a cutting for the spar, this one. So these markings and all is there in the plan. You can see here. So yeah, you can see from here to here, you can draw that line for the spar, and also these three lines as well. So one line here, one line center, one line, so that we can place supports here. Okay, for the bottom. Okay, so mark these things. So now I will glue this part. After that I will be adding these two here, one here, one. Okay, after adding the spar, one I will place it here, one I will place it here, 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 and in the center this will come for the front portion. This is like this. Okay, so I will glue the spar and I will add these supports, then I'll be back. Okay. So now bottom portion is done, you can see here, right? So now we need to work on the top. So on the top you need to add these marks so that you can see in the plan like this. Just place it here and draw the marks center and side. Then we have the cuts here, so one will be coming here, okay, so another one will be coming here. We need to glue like this on top, this will come, okay. Then here in between there is a gap. We will be adding some bunch of foam pieces here till this height, so that this area will be used for motor mounting, okay. So that, and after that what we will do, we need to cut these three pieces as per the plans. So it will be like this in the it will be coming like this, okay. So I will do this, then I will be back, okay. So now this portion is ready. So what I will do now, I will add the control surfaces like horizontal and vertical control surfaces. So you can see here, this is the vertical one. This I already done a cutting, so it is there in the plan. According to that you can cut it. So this will come here, okay, like this, and this will be fixed here like this. That's how it will hold that. Okay, so it will be going like this. Just I'll show you. Yeah. Just like this. Okay. It will be placed like this. Okay. Now we have another control surface here. So this. So you can see here, this is trimmed. Okay. So that you can get the movement. So same way here also you can see. You can see here now. So that it will allow the rudder. So this is the rudder one. Okay. So like this. You need to cut this. Okay. So place it both sides. After that, see, we will be placing this also. So this will be coming after this one. That means you need to place this one first. Place this one into this slot. After that it will be coming here. Okay, so like this. So it will be coming here. Okay, so like this, like this. Okay, so I will So now it is almost ready. You can see I installed all the, you can see here I installed all the servos here. See, servos. total 3 servos, 2 for Avalon mix, 1 for the rudder. Okay, so I added a color, so it may not be great, but I don't want to keep it in white, so that's why I just want to give it a different look and feel like this. And yeah, so this is what I did. So this wiring and all coming from the back side. So here it is like this, from the bottom only everything is coming. You can see here it's a bigger one, so I can't cover this entire thing in one frame like this. Yeah, so everything is going to this hatch, and here I added a, so here I added 2200 kV motor with a 7-inch bullnose propeller. Okay, so I'll see if it is okay, fine, or else I'll change the prop. Okay, yeah, so this is the hatch. So these two for to hold this one on top in the flying. So everything is going inside this, and you see I connected radio controller here, means receiver here, and my ESC is here, and ESC I have taken, made a small hole, through that wires are going out like this. So just want to show you, I done this, and now everything is ready. So I'll give a connection for the battery, and I'll show you how it is. So it's a Avalon mix addition and also rudder. So you can see here Avalon mix going up. This is the rudder, and this is the throttle. Okay, so this is the mix. It's very simple mix. Only thing is this have rudder. Okay, so other than that everything is same. So make sure all control surfaces are working fine. Okay, so now I'll close the bottom portion, then I'll take it out for flying. Okay, I'll show you the flying video. Okay, see you in the flying video. Okay, this is the overall. So the battery and all will be going inside, and I'll be closing the hatch. Okay, so like this. Okay, see you in a flying video. Thank you.